Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to edit close friend list on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile section. And once you reach your profile section, you can see the three lines on the top right corner. Just simply tap on the three lines and go to close friends option. You can see near the favorites and meta verified option, just simply tap on close friends. So that's where you can easily edit your close friend list. You can add or you can remove your friends to your close friend list. Just simply click on this checkbox to add your friends to your close friend list, and if you want to remove someone, just uncheck this box, and once you are done with it, just simply tap on done to continue. So that's how you can easily edit your close friend list on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and I will recommend you to check the latest video and the end screen.